Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain two important part of BMC video of view. And first one is customer segment and value proposition. First one is customer segment. We mainly focus on three group of customers. The first one is B2B brand and manufacturers. It is such as fashion and a company that need sustainable fabrics in large quantities. And second one is B2C, consumer who prefer economically and ethically sourced product. And third one is independent designer who look for unique customable and a small branch sustainable fabrics. And next one is value proposition for we provide sustainable material like organic and recycled fabrics. It is also offer the customization where customers who choose color and view pattern based on their needs. And another important value is transparency, which is allow customer to know product journey from raw material to final delivery. So the conclusion of we create value by sustainability, customization, and transparency to different customer groups. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we'll be discussing about the value proposition of Weave. The value proposition has three major stages, that is the sustainability, customization and transparency. So Weave always delivers a compelling and differentiated offer that is going beyond product to build trust, creativity and to champion the planet as a user company. It has mainly sustainability, it has certified organic, recycled and low impact materials are being used in the company. Customization, we can see the bespoke color, weave patterns and the uniqueness in that, and small batch orders are tailored to each client. And of course it is very much transparent because fully supply traceability can be approached, and the sourcing documentation, ethical audits are always being done. So end-to-end supply chain traceability, that is starting from the raw fiber collection to the last mile delivery, we will be able to witness all the stages which is happening among the system. So that exhibits a very good transparency, and these are the main value proposition that we can see, that includes transparency, customization along with focusing on sustainable actions.
Hi, I am Brinda Devi. I am here to explain about the cost efficiency compared to conventional transport on the topic of regions leaders. It offers 6 times faster travel than traditional Ferraris, while maintaining lower operational costs than aircraft. This cost efficiency combined with the smoother riding experience makes them an attractive solution for regional maritime transport, balancing speed, sustainability and affordability to meet evolving market. And the operations and partnership includes design development and regulatory compliances. Core activities include cutting deep edges, hydraulic and ground efforts design, rigorous developing and extensive testing. Certification process focus primarily on maritime regulations, streaming complications. This effort ensures regions legated meet safety and performance standard essential for commercial department. Rather than using here, we can widely use in more core activities. This section explains how the company runs the service, operations, how Sligider will be used in real life, coastal transport, island connections, regional travel, partnership. They collaborate with marine authorities and they collaborate with port operators, transportation companies, government bodies. They work with the other organizations to operate smoothly and expand their transport network. And here, these are advanced technologies like hydrofoiling, wings under water lift, vehicle supports the water surface to reduce the drag. Ground effect, the vehicle flies close to the water surface using air pressure to increase lift and efficiency. Development, engineering test and improve. Structures, electric propulsion system, control system, safety mechanism. Regulatory compliance, Since it's operated on water and slightly above water, it must follow marine safety regulations. This ensures passenger safety, performance standards, legal approval for commercial use. These carefully design, test, and get government approval to make sure that the sleeker is safe and ready for.
Hi, I'm Nishandini. I'm here to conclude that region steel lidars represent a breakthrough in maritime mobility. They combine speed, sustainability, and cost effectiveness to transform regional travel. Unlike traditional boats, steel lidars operate just above the water's surface using wind in ground effect technology, which allows them to travel faster while consuming less energy. At the same time, they are designed to be fully electric, making them more environmentally friendly conventional fuel powered vessel. One of the most important advantages of this technology is the sustainability. As the world moves towards cleaner energy solutions, transportation system must reduce carbon emission. Regions steel lidars address this need by offering a zero emission solution for coastal and offshore travel. This makes them ideal for island connections, short distance coastal routines, and even offshore transport service. In addition to environment benefits, regions focus strongly on research, development, and static partnership. The stable manufacturing approaching supports commercial readiness and ensuring that this technology can be expanded globally. By combining innovation with the practical implementation, they are positioning themselves as leaders in next generation marine transport. In conclusion, region steel lidars are not just a new vehicle, they represent a smaller, cleaner, and more efficient way to travel. With a growing demand for rapid and sustainable transport solutions, coastal mobility for the future. Thank you.